Okay.
Hi.
Kanpai.
Very important.
A hand, clap a hand for all of us. So have a good day for all. And
Anyway, thank you very much for your participation. And
thank you for giving me a chance to give my few words. Personally, I already miss Baba Sensei. Even very soon I will go back home.
But at the same time, it's a privilege just to give a message over to especially my lab mates and in one's life. You know, it's easy to meet.
So this is very much important. Baba Sensei always used to say that grow up, think critically, and deepen your mind, and concretize your thought. That's the word is very much important, I think. Those comments coming from Baba Sensei and some of the feedbacks coming from other learners, I always appreciate it. I always thankful to you all. Thank you so much.
Or are you holding it and ask them to think? We always have to encourage, otherwise they will give up. And there we are, grown up in a culture where they are asking the answer from teacher. Yeah?
Come down and make what was a very happy and at the same time we've watched something that is emotional and close to us. So on behalf of